Assalamualaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, we will talk about how through JQuery we making some operations to all form elements with a single command without loop. Okay. So for example, this is my form, and inside this form there are four fields, and the fields are the first is 2019, second is 2018 input field, third is 2017, and then 2016. If I have this form and I want to did the operations, for example, the operation is to enable the read-only mode of all these four fields through jQuery, then today topic agenda is how we can did it without loop through a single command. Okay, for example, if I have a form that have many fields for 100 and 1000 of input fields, and I want to did an operation to all that field without uh, a loop, or knowing each and every id of this input field through jQuery, so how can I did it with a single command? So this is our today topic agenda, and this is very simple. If I go to the code, this is my PHP form code, and you will see that there are four fields. The form ID is my form, and it has four fields, input fields, and the first input field is 2019, then 2018, and each input field has its unique ID. Okay, and the form ID is my form. So this is very simple. If I want to enable the read only operations to all of these input fields, and user only read the field, not able to write anything inside it, so go to your, for example, this is my script inside the head section. Okay, and inside this script, this is the document.read function, and inside this read function I write a single jQuery line that enable the read-only mode of all these form input elements. Okay, so the line is simple, this one, and inside this one the form ID. The ID of the form is my form. Okay, and inside this one, that is input, and did to set the attribute of all input fields of this form to read only. Okay, so I just tell him of this form, that is my form, all input fields set the attributes to read only. Okay, save the file and go to your browser and refresh. First I want with first you it allow me to write anything inside this field. Okay, when I refresh the link, then you will see that nothing we can write inside these four input fields. It restrict the input fields to read only mode. So this command enabled the read only mode to all these form input fields. So we can did anything, any operation with this command. Okay, after that one, if I want some other information, operation, then I can did it. Okay, through this line. So hope guys you will understand, and this video will help you a lot. If you have any question regarding to this video, please write inside the comment section. Subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.